Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Lensa AI subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you like you can cancel your subscription by using two ways. The first method is like very easy. First of all, what you have to do, you need to open your app on your, you can say like mobile device, and once you open your app, in the very bottom side there are three options like photo, magic avatar and settings. You need to click on settings, and once you click on settings there is an option like subscription. You can select this option like subscription, and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription with Lensa AI. Okay, and if you are facing any issue, you can also compose an email regarding the cancellation, but in the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the end. And once you complete the message, and like once your email is completely composed, in the email you need to provide your subscription starting date, end date, and all the information related to subscription cancellation, and valid reason why you want to cancel, and ask for a proof of cancellation. And once you all done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like lensa dot you guys like contact at the rate lensa dot app. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.